In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix low network signal problem on an iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings app. Now toggle on for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then toggle it off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the cellular network. Another quick fix is to restart your device since a simple reboot can solve many temporary glitches including network issues. If the problem continues, power off your iPhone and remove the SIM card using a SIM eject tool. Gently clean it and reinsert it to make sure it's properly connected. You can also reset your network configuration by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then click on Reset Network Settings, which will refresh all network settings on your device. Next, check for a carrier update by going to Settings, General, About, as these updates can improve signal performance. It's a good idea to check whether your carrier network is down by inserting your SIM card into another phone. If the signal is still weak, the issue may be within your network provider. Additionally, make sure your device is updated to the latest version. For that, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, you can also try switching your network mode by going to Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and selecting 4G, LTE, 5G, or 3G depending on your coverage. Finally, if you are using a thicker metal phone case, remove it and test the signal again because some cases can block cellular reception. And that's it. These are some effective ways to fix low signal problems on an iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.